Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of chain earrings. Now the chain I'm going to be using today is neon, but if neon isn't your thing, you can easily make these with a gold, silver, or really any color of chain. If you're new to my videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorials. Here are my supplies that I'm going to use. I've got my 3 chains in yellow, pink, and turquoise or teal. I've got some jump rings, some earring hooks, and then whenever you're working with jewelry, you want to have 2 pairs of needle nose pliers. Here are my chains opened up, and the first thing I want to do is take off this little end part from the clasp. So I'm going to grab 1 pair of jewelry pliers, and I'm going to grab one side of that chain. Then I'm going to grab the other side of that one chain link, and I'm going to twist my wrists and remove that chain. Okay, so then I don't have these anymore. I can push those off to the side. Now for each earring, I want to have a different length of chain. So let's say for the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How long is 8? 9, 10. We're going to go 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I'm going to go to that length. I've got 10. And again, I'm going to grab one side with the plier and the other side with the plier, and I'm going to twist. You don't want to pull the chain apart. You want to twist the chain. So there is our 10, and I need 2 of these because I'm doing 2 earrings. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, on that 10 chain, I'm going to twist my wrists to open that link. Okay, so there are our 2 10s. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 11 chains of pink and 12 chains of the teal. Here are my little lengths of chain. 10 links for yellow, 11 for pink, and 12 for teal. Now you may notice that on these I closed up the tops, which I should have done with the yellow, but I didn't. So I'm going to show you how to close that link. To close the link, we do it the same way, just opposite. So we take one side of each of that open link in a plier and we twist to shut. And then you can see that top link is now closed. To assemble my earring, I'm going to take a jump ring. Now these are already open, and I'm just going to hold it with a pair of jewelry pliers. I'm going to hold it open. And then I want the longest of the chain to be in the middle. So I'm going to layer the chains, pink, teal, and yellow. So there we've got all of the chains. I'm going to take an earring and also thread that into the earring there. Then we're just going to close that jump ring the same way. We're going to twist our wrists and bring that jump ring together. And our first earring is done. So let's repeat for the second earring. Hold that with the jump ring or with the plier just because it's easier. And we're going to go pink, pink, teal, yellow, and then the earring. And then we're going to close it up. There we have both of our earrings. So I'm going to take out my earring. I'm going to put this one in. Maybe. There we go. And then we'll do the other side. Aren't those so cute? And they're so easy to make. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. While you're here, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.